Hi everyone, today I'm in my garden for the tip of the week, and today it will be all about fingers. I'm sure you already know how to use one finger or two fingers on your iOS devices, iPhone, iPad. So today I'm going to show you how to use 3 fingers. Stay tuned. Use your 3 fingers, the thumb and the next 2 fingers. Pinch in to copy, pinch out to paste, double tap with the 3 fingers to undo. Now you know how to do it. Smile, create, inspire. Keep the positive vibes flowing, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.